for two variables. Listen, let me draw, then you'll draw it. Just take it, wait कर लेना पूरा draw हो जाने देना, उसके बाद draw करना. Please you'll try to draw straight lines. Okay, now consider two propositions are P and Q. Here I'm writing P and Q. And the possible value of P will be what? This is a proposition, yes, you know. The possible value of P will be what? Either 0 or 1. That, you know, 0 for false, 1 for true. Like that, possible value of Q will be what? Either 0 or 1. 0 and 1. पूरा draw कर लेना, उसके बाद draw करना. Just wait and watch. Now listen, as I told, anyone can tell me, we put bar for what in SOP? SOP में 1 के लिए bar put करते हैं कि 0 के लिए? In SOP, we put bar for 0. So here, P bar, P. Here, Q bar, Q. Okay? And in this box in the corner, at the corner, I'm writing 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. How 0? Please listen how I'm writing 0 here. This is 0, this is 0, right? So 0, 0. You know 0, 0 is the binary code of what? 0. Now see this box. 0, 1. 0, 1. So 0, 1 is the binary code of what? 1. So that's why 1. Here you can see in this box 1, 0. 1, 0. 1, 0 is the binary code of what? 2. And finally at last 1, 1. This is the binary code of what? 3. So by this way I'm filling this 0, 1, 2 and 3. So draw it now. Please draw it. Everyone please draw this. And when you finish writing, please don't hesitate to tell me, sir, done. Okay? So पढ़ापन आ गया. First 12 से लगे कर. ध्यान दो. Now 3 variables. Okay? Just draw it. Wait. Let me draw first. Just wait. Let me draw first. P, Q, R. Now 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 0. Okay? तो टेबल से थोड़ा सीक्वेंस चेंज हुआ है. Got it? Okay. Now you know we put bar for 0 in case of SOP. So here P bar, P. Then here Q bar, R bar. Then here Q bar, R. QR. And here last QR bar. Please write down this. Wait. एक मिनट और. See this box, corner of the box, we'll write here 0. Here we'll write 1. Here we write 3. This is the binary code of 3, you know. 0, 1, 1. Huh? And here we write 2. 0, 1, 3, 2. Now like this, here 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay, just be careful and write down. Here we require 16 boxes like this, 16 boxes. Okay, 4 rows, 4 columns. You can draw, write down 4 rows, 4 columns. And then here you can take P, Q, R. Here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 1, 1, 0. Then this is P bar, Q bar. P bar, Q. We are putting bar for 0. PQ. This is P, Q bar. R bar, S bar. R bar, S. RS, RS bar. Okay. Then here Stop writing for a second, for a few seconds. Look at the board, please. Stop writing. Here 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. Corner पे लिखना है एकदम. 7, 6. Okay. Now listen. Please look at the board and be careful. Here I am writing. After 6, 8. You can see I am writing in the last row. 8, 9, 11, 10. Then here 12, 13, 15, 14. Just carefully, write carefully, please. Same thing. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And same here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 0. So you can see कि sequence यहाँ पे भी change हुआ है और यहाँ पे भी change हुआ है, यहाँ भी, है ना? So that's why just while you're writing, or sorry, if you are writing the drawing, sorry, when you're drawing the K map, be careful for these things. Otherwise, if K map is wrong, then everything is wrong. So only after 5 marks, 2 or 1 or 2 marks will be given. Then question will not be checked. So you have to draw correct K map. It's very important. Okay. So please learn it for 2 variables, for 3 variables, and for 4 variables. At least you must draw correct K map. K map भी गलत हुआ तो बाकी आगे पूरा solution गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So it is for 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables, SOP expression. I have taught this. Now I'm going to teach you for POS. Write down please heading for POS. Okay. In this for, first I will teach you for 2 variables. 2 variables or 2 propositions to be drawn. For 2 variables. Draw it please. Same thing. अभी जो draw किया 2 variables वाला, please draw like that. What is the difference? I will tell you. I'm taking P and Q. 0, 1, 0, 1. Up to this, same. Up to this,
Yes,
same.
sir.
Now after this, here you write same 0, 1, 2, 3. Write down this also. I hope that.
So then, completed, sir.
Okay, good. Now for, as you know, in case of POS, we put bar for 1. We put bar for 1. This is the difference. Here, first difference. So here you write P and P bar. Here Q and Q bar. We put bar for 1. In case of POS, we put bar for 1. This is the difference. Please. बाकी चीजें similar है. Second, this is for 3 variables now. 3 variables. For 3 variables in the same manner as you already do in this for the SOP. Here P, Q, R. Just draw this 1. Okay. 0, 1. Here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then here 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay. Now please stop. Just 1 minute. Stop writing and listen. Here we write P. Here we write P bar. Okay, this is okay. Please wait. And here Q. Here we write Q bar. Sorry, Q plus R. Please see, in previous we have written q dot r, something like this. We have used dot symbol, means if it is no symbol is there, if you are writing qr, it is what? Q dot r. No? There, now here we have to use plus symbol, q plus r, and we put bar for 1. So q plus r bar. Now here q bar plus r bar, and here q bar plus r. This is the second difference. Instead of dot, here we have to use plus, and we put bar for 1. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. Then at last row, 8, 9, 11, and 10. Then here 12, 13, 15, and 14. Okay. And the same thing, we put bar for 1 and we'll use plus symbol here. Instead of dot, here we will use plus. So here we'll write P plus Q. P plus Q bar. And here P bar plus Q bar. And here P bar plus Q. P bar plus Q. Okay. Here also same things. R plus S. R plus S bar. R bar plus S bar. And R bar plus S. So second difference, instead of dot, we're using plus and we're putting bar for 1. So let me repeat again. You'll get the question in this form, and if it is written sigma, it means this is the question of SOP, and if it is written pi, it is the question of POS. Okay. So here this is the question of sigma SOP. So you will draw the K map for the 4 variables. Okay, 4 variables SOP like this. And after drawing the K map, you will fill 1 in these boxes. 0 वाले box में, 1 वाले box में, 3 वाले में, 5 में, 3 में भी था नहीं. 5, 7, 13, 15. In these all given boxes, you'll fill what? 1. In case of SOP, we fill 1. In case of POS, we fill 0. Now write down these groups. In groups, there are 3 types of groups we have to make. First is what? Write down pair. Please write down pair. Write down group of 2 adjacent ones or zeros. 2 adjacent ones or zeros. In case of SOP, it will be 1. In case of POS, it will be zeros. Okay. Write down next quad. This group of 4 adjacent. Do you know the meaning of adjacent? Agal bagal, no? Adjacent ones or zeros. Okay. And last, octet. This is what? Group of 8. Group of 8 adjacent ones or zeros. Group of 8 adjacent ones or zeros. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After filling 1 case of SOP 1 and case of POS 0, what you will do, you will try to draw the groups. I will teach you how to. So first of all, we try to draw the biggest group. जो सबसे बड़ा group है. What is the biggest group is here? Octet. So we'll try to find 8 adjacent ones or zeros in the K map. ओके सबसे पहले बड़ा ग्रुप बनाने की कोशिश की जाती है, अगर बड़ा ग्रुप नहीं बनेगा तब छोटा ग्रुप हम बनाते हैं। ध्यान देना इस चीज पे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, नहीं तो गलतियां होती है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ट्राई टू ड्रॉ ऑक्टेट, मीन्स विल ट्राई टू फाइंड 8 एडजेसेंट वंस। तो यहाँ टोटल 8 वन है ही नहीं, देखो हाउ मेनी वंस आर हियर, 1 2 3 4 5 6, ओनली 6 वंस आर हियर। सो ऑक्टेट की पॉसिबिलिटी कहीं दिख नहीं रही। Okay, so if there is no possibility by any way, by any mean, there is no possibility of octet, then we'll try to draw quad. Quad means what? Group of 4 adjacent ones or zeros. Let me show you. यहाँ पे है, we have that. See these 4 ones. दिख रहा है? They are adjacent. Can you see? And one very important thing, vertical or horizontal, not diagonal. They should be adjacent vertically or horizontally. Okay, so here you can see these 4 ones are what? These 4 ones are adjacent. So we will draw the quad like this. ऐसे draw करना होता है, square बना रहे हैं, so circle नहीं, I'm making and like this. Please everyone draw this. Everyone please draw this. चारों वन को ऐसे स्क्वायर फॉर्म में कवर करो. We have drawn what? Quad. Okay, done. जल्दी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, after drawing quad, now you can see there are 2 ones are left. 2 ones are still left. We try to cover all the zeros and ones. Okay, what we try to do? We try to cover all the zeros and ones. So here, after making the square, 2 ones are left. So there is no possibility. Can you see इन दोनों वन के साथ कोई दूसरे 2 वन दिख रहे हैं जो मिलके क्वाड बना दें? नहीं दिख रहा.
No, sir.
So here we have to draw pair. So we'll draw the pair like this. Draw it, please.
सर जो कॉर्नर में नंबर लिखे हैं उसको इंक्लूड नहीं करना है ब्रैकेट में, मतलब स्क्वायर में.
नहीं वो ड्रॉ करो, ठीक है, नहीं हो सकता, उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so listen. So first of all, we try to draw the octet. If there is no possibility of octet, we'll go for the quad. And if there is no possibility of quad, then we'll go for the pair. सबसे पहले बड़ा group बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. Now you can see after making all the groups, we have there is no one left. कोई one बाकी रह गया? We have covered all the ones and zeros.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now how to here we'll solve this like this. See, write down please. We have here we have one quad and one pair. No, so write down quad. मीटिंग एंड हो जाएगी तो नेक्स्ट क्लास बता देंगे, ठीक है. क्वाड. सो what is the quad here? Quad equal to here 5 7 13 15. Okay, these are the numbers, and you know this is SOP. In case of SOP we use mean terms. Do you remember that? What is mean terms? Product of all the literals with or without bar. So mean terms. So here we'll use small m like this, and m5. Okay, dot. Sorry, m5 plus. Write down m5 plus m7 plus. ऐसे लिखते चलो m7 प्लस M13 M15 लिख लो. M13 plus M15. 15. Written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. M5, M7, M13, M15. But now listen, अब ध्यान सुनना थोड़ा सा how to reduce it. See, this squared is acquiring these two rows. These two rows, this squared is acquiring. So moving through the rows, you can see the state of P is changing. P bar से ये P हो गया, change हो गया, state इसका change हो गया. But Q is same, Q, no change is there. Okay, so from the row you'll get what? Q. ध्यान देना, जो जिसका state change होता है उसको हटा देते हैं. Now moving through the columns, it is acquiring these two columns. Okay, so moving through the columns, you can see the state of R has been changed. R bar से R हो गया, but S no change. So here we'll write S. जिसका state change होगा उसको हटा देंगे. This squared is acquiring two rows that I have highlighted, I have circled, and it is acquiring two columns. So go through the rows first, and which state is changing, remove that. Which is not changing, right here. Like this, go through the columns, and which state will be changed. Don't write that. Which state is not changing, right here. यहाँ पे S का state change नहीं हो रहा था, ऐसा हम लिख रहे हैं. R का state change हो गया तो हमने नहीं लिखा. Same here, P bar P हो गया तो उसको नहीं लिखा हमने. Q same था उसको लिखा हमने. So from quad we are getting QS. Then pair. What pair we have? M0 plus M1. M0 plus M1. Okay. See, that pair is acquiring one row only. So that is what that we have to write as it is. I'm writing here dash, bar नहीं लिखा है. Bar dash, you know, same. P dash, Q dash. It is acquiring, you can see this pair is acquiring only one row. सिर्फ एक ही row है. So I'm writing it. P bar, Q bar, P dash, Q dash. And you can see it is acquiring these two columns. Okay. So can you tell me what should be written here? Plus करके क्या लिखेंगे? Sorry, plus नहीं. P dash, Q dash, what?
R. Sir, R dash.
R dash.
Very good. R dash. R dash. So from pair we are getting what? P dash, Q dash, R dash. Okay. So finally the solution, the answer is what? Reduced expression equal to, it will be QS plus P dash, Q dash, R dash. This is the answer. This is the reduced expression. Okay, please note it down.